What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Nguyen here again. In this episode, we are going to be learning about concatenation. Fancy word, right? Let's take a look at our learning goals for today. In this lesson, you're going to be able to concatenate a variable before a string, concatenate a variable between two strings, and concatenate a variable after a string. All right, so those are our goals today. And really, this nice and big fancy word concatenate just means joining together two strings or more, okay? And what are strings? Well, you've seen it before. Is every time that we write a print or an input statement with words or numbers in quotations, that's a string. We've been working with strings. Now you know it, so let's get right to it. All right, so here I am, the coding environment. So we know how to do name equals input. What is your name? Okay. So we know that the name of our variable is name, and it is storing the information of the user's name that they're going to be typing in. So if I run it right now, it's going to ask what is your name, and I get to type in my name, but I'm going to pretend to be somebody else here. And we're going to type in Ava. All right, so there you go. Well, nothing happens right now, but what if we want the computer to respond by saying hello Ava, or hello Anne, or hello John? All right, so we're going to do that by concatenating. Okay, so in order to output, we're going to do the print command, print, and then we're going to say hello with a space, because a space is a character. Okay, this is a string right here that I have. This is one string, this whole set right here. Okay, and then afterwards, outside the quotations, I'm gonna put a plus, and then I'm gonna type in the variable, which is name. All right, so whatever the user types in for their name on line 1 is going to get carried on onto line number 2. All right, let's run it to see what happens. What is your name? Okay, I'm going to type in Angela, and then it's going to say hello Angela. Okay, I'm going to run one more time. Let's try another name. Anthony. Hello Anthony. So there you have it. It's able to concatenate by joining the name variable along with the string hello. All right. Now what we're going to do is we are going to create an output that basically displays the name before the string. So we're going to concatenate the variable before the string. Okay. So we're going to do print, followed by name, plus, and then in quotations is a cool name. Okay, let's run it. It says, what is your name? And let's type in the name here. Let's type in Sean. So it says, notice that it says, hello Sean, which is line number 2. And then Sean comes down here on line number 3. And it says it's a cool name. All right, pretty cool, right? The last technique that we're going to learn is how to make it so that the variable will fit in between two strings. Okay, so we're going to do print. We're going to start out with a string. I had a relative named, and then we're going to do plus, and then we're going to do name, followed by another plus, and I got along with that person quite well. Okay, So as you can see, in between the strings and the variable, there are plus symbols in between to concatenate them, okay? To basically join these two together. So let's run it to see what happens here. It says, what is your name? We're gonna type in Isla. And then there you go. It says, hello, Isla. Okay, that's line number 2 right here. Name is Isla right here. And then Isla is a cool name right here in line 3. And then last but not least, it says, I had a relative named Isla right here. And I got along with that person quite well. Okay, and that's how you concatenate a variable after a string, before a string, and in between strings. All right. Comment in the comment below if you have any questions on how to concatenate. That's it for today, guys. I'll catch you next time on Tech Time with Mr. Nguyen. See you later.